Hi guys, so tagal ko hindi nag-upload. Yeah. Active na po ako ngayon sa YouTube, so you can follow me in YouTube, which is same name naman, Tarot Page Philippines. Pero bago magsimula ang June, gawa tayo ng isang quick general reading. So it may be for you. Kung nakita mo to, possible it's for you. If not, you can send it naman sa ibang tao. So kuha tayo ng cards. Okay, so let's get here. Hey! So we have here una is the Hierophant. Sunod is the King of Air. And last is the Chariot. So ano bang message para sa'yo nanonood ngayon? Hierophant, this is about spirituality. Connected to sa zodiac sign na Taurus, which is about resources. Well, mukhang this month is something na pwede nating expect that you need to focus more on money making. Tama na muna yung lande. Siguro pwede, but more on you building your finances, building your career. It's time na magsimula ka mag-focus doon. Set aside muna yung mga bagay na sobrang hindi naman ganun importante, pero hindi naman ganun ka-importante. Building your future is the process and is a target para sa iyo ng universe. With the King of Air is also a reminder na meron ka mga dapat din pag-aralan, because as you go higher, as you expand, andun yung ibig sabihin nun, kailangan din yung knowledge mo, yung wisdom mo is mas lalo lumalalim, para meron kang mas malalim na foundation na kahit pag di ba para sa building, the more it goes higher, that the foundation should be much more deeper. With the Chariot, stay where you are. Huwag ka nagmamadali. Hindi dahil wala ka nakikitang progress, hindi ibig sabihin walang progress. Remind you, kapatid, na minsan ang halaman, akala mo wala nangyayari, pero ang totoo, deep inside sa earth, lumalalim. Umalalim yung ugat niya. And this is where you should be also be. You are at the right place. You are at the right time. You are in the right situation. If the situation you feel is not beneficial for you, tandaan mo na kahit yung tubig kanal, pag dinalig sa halaman, nagagamit niya to para mag-grow. Things may be negative sa paligid mo, but at the end of the day, all things will work together for good. Kung reading sa'yo, and please, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Aero. You have a great day. All the way here from La Trinidad, Benguet.